To rotate the Bill.com API SDK, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure a seamless transition. First, understand the importance of rotating API keys for security purposes. Rotating API keys helps prevent unauthorized access and maintains the integrity of your data. Start by generating a new API key in the Bill.com developer portal. Log into your account. Navigate to the API Keys section and click on the Generate New Key button. Copy the new API key and store it securely. Next, update your application to use the new API key. Locate the section of your code where the API key is stored and replace the old key with the new one. Make sure to update all instances of the old key to prevent any errors. After updating your application, test the new API key to ensure it is working correctly. Run a test query or perform a test transaction to verify the new key is functioning as expected. Once the new API key is confirmed to be working, revoke the old API key to prevent any further use. Log in to the Bill.com developer portal and navigate to the API Keys section. Find the old key and click on the Revoke button to deactivate it. As a best practice, schedule regular API key rotations to maintain the highest level of security. It is recommended to rotate API keys every 90 days or as required by your organization's security policy. In addition, consider implementing a key management system to store and manage your API keys securely. This will help you keep track of your keys and ensure they are properly rotated and revoked when necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully rotate the Bill.com API SDK and maintain the security and integrity of your data. Remember to always handle API keys securely and follow your organization's security guidelines to prevent any potential breaches.